Hello students, welcome in the lecture number 8 of the chapter Mathematical Logic. Application of logic to switching circuits. Number 1, when two or more than two switches connected in series, then we are using AND connective. Series AND. When two or more switches connected in parallel, then we are using OR connective. Parallel OR. Example, express the following in symbolic form of logic. The circuit is given, power supply, then S1 switch, S2 switch and S3 switch, and direction of current. And light will be glow when circuit will be closed, switches will be closed, and then current will flow to get the light. P, the switch S1 is closed. Q stands for the switch S2 is closed. R stands for S3 is closed. That means we are using P symbol for S1, Q symbol for S2, R symbol for S3. L, the lamp L glows. Lamp capital L will glows. That is the symbol for L. Symbolic form in logic is, this circuit in the symbolic form in logic is P OR, because this S1 connected in parallel. P OR Q and R, because S2 and S3 are connected in series. Therefore for Q R joined by AND. Therefore this is a symbolic form P OR bracket Q and R. And why bracket is given? Because they are connected in one line and this combination is in parallel with S1. Therefore P OR bracket Q and R is equal to L. This is the symbolic form. Another example, S1 switch, S2 switch, S1 and S2 dash. Again similar to the previous example, P, the switch S1 is closed. Q, the switch S2 is closed. P, the switch S1 is closed. And S2 dash meaning is negation Q. That means when S2 will be closed, S2 will be open. When S2 dash will be closed, S2 will be open. They are complement of each other. S2 close, S2 dash open. S2 dash close, S2 open. These are complement of each other. Therefore symbolic form is P and Q or parallel with this second combination, P and negation Q is equal to L. P and negation Q is equal to L. And in the exam, circuit will be given. You have to write down the symbolic form in logic equation, or logic equation will be given. You have to draw the circuit. 1 mark for one question. Now next question is, construct the switching circuit and the statement is given. Equation form or the logic equation is given. First bracket P OR, second bracket negation Q, negation P and Q, bracket complete, again bracket complete, or first bracket negation Q and R, bracket complete, or negation P. Again as I told you previous example, P, the switch S1 is closed, Q, S2 is closed, R, switch S3 is closed, negation P, S1 dash is closed, negation Q, S2 dash is closed, negation R, S3 dash is closed. No, negation is R is not there, but just I am explaining you when negation is there means S3 dash or S2 dash, that switches will be closed. Opposite of that corresponding S1, S2, etc. Now, when the switching equation is given, symbolic form, in the logic form, first we have to consider the innermost bracket. Now, innermost brackets are negation P and Q. Negation P means S1 dash and S2. And this combination is a parallel with P, therefore parallel with S1. Again this complete combination OR is parallel with the second combination, therefore parallel. And again in the first bracket negation Q and R, therefore S2 dash S3 in series, parallel with the S1 dash, parallel with the negation P, that is the parallel with the S1 dash. And these two brackets are parallel, these two brackets joined by OR. And then again it is connected to the power supply. And while drawing the diagram, this direction of current is very important. You have to show the direction of current and the switches and lamp L you have to show. 1 mark for one equation. Second example, equation is given P and Q and R bracket complete, or second bracket negation P or bracket Q and negation R. Q and negation R. Then again similar to the previous example, in the exam you have to write down P, that is the switch S1 is closed, Q, the switch S2 is closed, R, the switch S3 is closed, negation P, the switch S1 dash is closed, and negation R, the switch S3 dash is closed. Then first we have to write down for first bracket, that is the P and Q and R, means S1, S2, S3 are in series, and this series combination parallel with the second bracket. Therefore parallel with the negation P, that is the S1 dash, then again this parallel with the bracket Q and negation R, Q and negation R, S2 and S3 dash, and this complete combination connected to the power supply and capital L. Again direction of current is very important, and all the students please practice yourself. First see the diagram, then close the diagram, and again draw yourself and check it yourself. That is a practice. Practice is very important, and as I told you in the previous some lectures, that for mathematics or any subject, three things are very important: practice, interest and formula. Practice, interest and formula.